When we're finding the vertex of a parabola, we had two different approaches that we could take. Okay? And some of you took each of them, so I'll show them both. Okay? One of them is to complete the square, which means I'm going to start by factoring out the 3 from the x squared and the x term. Some of you went ahead and pulled it out of the 9 as well, and that's not necessary, because when I'm completing the square, I'm only worried about the x's and the x squareds. Half of 4 is 2, 2 squared is 4, and so 4 is what I'm going to add in the parentheses there to complete the square. But understand what I really added right there, because it's hooked onto the 3, is I added a positive 12. In order to compensate for that, I need to add a negative 12 out in front, so that I haven't changed or messed up the problem in any way. Okay, and now I'm going to write in black, I guess. From here, the x squared plus 4x plus 4 factors as the x plus 2 quantity squared. Once I have the parabola written in that form, I can see that the vertex of that parabola is negative 4, 2, sorry, I'm saying the wrong thing, but writing the right thing, and negative 3. The other option is we know that h is negative b over 2a, which is negative 12 over 2 times 3. Negative 12 over 6 is negative 2. Okay, there's the x-coordinate of my vertex. Once I know what x is, all I have to do is plug it in to figure out what the y-coordinate is. So 4 times 3 is 12, minus 24, who knows what's going on with this pen, plus 9. And we get negative 3 out of that. Now, all I needed is a very basic sketch in number 11 for 2 points. It says negative 2, I'm going to put some tick marks here because we can't see them, but negative 2, negative 3, I needed to see your vertex being there. Because the 3 in front is positive, then I know it opens up, and I probably missed. Maybe that's too wide, maybe it's too skinny, but I needed the vertex to be in the right place, and I needed to open in the right direction. That's all I needed, as the directions said. Okay, when I have a parabola that opens up, it has a minimum value. The minimum value or the maximum value, either one, is always the y-coordinate only of the vertex. Not the entire vertex, not anything to do with the x, but it's the lowest point on that graph. Okay. There is no max. If the parabola opened down, there would be a max. It would still be the y-coordinate. Okay, y-coordinate only. Yes, this is a function, and the domain and range. The domain is all real numbers. The range, the lowest point on the graph is negative 3, sorry, with a square bracket there, and the highest point is infinity. Okay, it has a bottom, but it does not have a top.